Now more on the sky now, because you may have noticed it has been increasingly wet and windy and there are some weather warnings in force. Nina is here to tell us more. Hello Nina, this is actually a named storm, isn't it?
It is, Ellie. It's our second named storm, Storm Babette. The worst of the effects across parts of Scotland. They've got a red and an amber warning. We've got a yellow warning, but nonetheless stormy conditions to come.
And unfortunately it's going to get worse, isn't it?
Yes, well I think what will happen is we'll get a cumulative effect. We'll see the rainfall today and then there's going to be more to come over the next couple of days. And already you can see stormy conditions that we've had through the day in Brighton today. There will be more scenes like this to come over the next couple of days. Perhaps a little bit of brightness though in between some heavy showers for tomorrow. And then I think as we go through away from the showers, then we'll start to see some heavier rain arriving. And that is on Friday, already on the saturated ground. And so we've got our yellow warning. That covers us through onto Friday's weather. But this evening, it's pretty wet out there. More rain to move its way northeastwards, accompanied by some strong winds as well. Does mean it's not going to be particularly cold, and the rain will have eased off a touch as we start tomorrow morning. Temperatures started the day 14 to 15 degrees. So we will see these showers scattered around. There could be some fairly frequent and heavy downpours, but in between, always a few drier and brighter spells. As we go to the afternoon, temperatures will pick up to around about 18 to 19, but still the potential for some heavy showers. And as we go through the evening, we could just see another cluster moving their way eastwards. A bit of a lull then at first as we go into Friday morning, but then the next batch of rain is set to arrive. Really wet start Friday morning, 12 to 14 degrees. So yes, it's going to be mild, but this is the rain we're perhaps most concerned about. We could see some localised flooding and travel disruption. 6, maybe 12 hours of rain. It could give us a couple of inches more than that through the day on Friday. Temperatures 16 to 17 degrees. After Friday's heavy rain, the low pressure, our storm, does finally push to the north of us. So things will steadily dry out through the weekend, but at the same time, it is also going to be turning a little colder. So the stormiest weather to come over the next couple of days and then a bit of a respite for the weekend, Ellie.
Thank you very much, Nina. And you can, of course, always keep up to date by checking out the website. That is it from me and the rest of the team for the moment. Piers Hopkirk, though, is back with your late